Alright y'all, it's been a while since I've filmed, but today I'm going to give you an update on the car and what project I'm going to be doing. Alright, so today's episode is going to be in black and white because I do want to do a release video of the color and how the car looks after it's fully painted. I'm still waiting on a few parts to get painted right now, but with that being said, I'll at least be able to show you what products I'm using, the steps I'm taking, and how I achieve the final look that I'm going for. As far as wet sanding, buffing, using compound, and waxing the vehicle, the car looks absolutely fantastic the way it's painted right now, but I want to make it look perfect. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, so today here are a few products I'm going to be using. I went ahead and washed the car. Shout out to my friend Diego for hooking me up with a car wash kit. And then these are some of the other materials I'm going to be using. I'm going to start off with a coarse foam disc. Then we're going to go into a little bit finer cut and then the polishing pad. I'm going to be using wet sanding paper, microfiber towel, and I'm going to start off with the Supercut compound, which is a heavier compound for deeper scratches and orange peel, stuff like that. As you can see, it's on the heavier scale. Next, we're gonna go to the medium cut compound. I'm gonna be using this softer foam pad. Then I'm gonna go to a finishing glaze, which gets rid of the swirls and the scratch marks and stuff like that, and the polishing pad. And then I'm gonna finish it up with wax. So the paint looks pretty good, but I'm gonna go ahead and cut and compound it anyways because there is some trash in it. I guess some dust and debris got into the spray booth while we were painting it, so it's gonna get rid of all those marks, some of the orange peel, and other defects. You can see right in this area, there is some trash in the paint, there's some swirl marks, a little bit of overspray that I'm gonna be cutting out. So let's go ahead and get started. You can see the orange peel right in here, and then you can see how much more smooth it is right here. Although you do see those scratches, they will be compounded out. And I left this little area taped, so when I peel it off, you can see the difference between where it hasn't been touched and after it's been buffed and everything. Supercut compound and the medium cut compound after wet sanding it, and you can already see it comes out beautifully, like it is mirror image. There are some minor scratches that the polish is going to get rid of, but I mean, compared to before, this looks amazing. You can really see the shine in the paint now. Test on just to show you. So I went ahead and did all the compound, wax, everything right here, sanded it, and you can see that the paint is very shiny. There's a little bit of scratches in it still. I'm gonna go over it again and do a much better job, but this is just for quick reference so you guys can see the difference. I removed the tape where I didn't touch the area. You'll see a huge difference there. See all the orange peel and the reflection of that light, and then when I move it up, it gets very clear. See, it's like a mirror finish. And this is after the glaze and wax. That's it for today, so click the like button and leave a comment below what color you think I painted the car. I could have painted it something crazy like purple or candy green or orange or blue, and that's pretty much it. We'll see you next time.